Hello everybody and welcome to Basic English Language Video 1. So today our topic is the correct number of alphabet in English. So it's a very confusing topic so far because those people who know about alphabet, they still make mistake whenever somebody asks them that how many alphabet does English language have. So what answer do they give? According to my studies, mostly people say that we have 26 alphabet, which is absolutely incorrect. So we don't have 26 alphabet, everybody. Always keep in mind. We have only one alphabet in English language. To make it more easy, to make you understand this concept in a better way, I have something for you. So here I'm going to compare alphabet with a country. So it's a country. I'm going to pick any country. I'm going to pick India. This is India and this is our alphabet. One country is India, okay? And we have one alphabet in English only. So if I ask you, how many states do we have in India? So you would be saying we have many states. Like we have UP, MP, then national territories, Delhi, and so on, etc. Similarly, we have one alphabet, and inside the alphabet we have 26 letters. Please keep noting down, everybody, so that in future you can use your notes. So there is only one alphabet and 26 letters in alphabet. There are not 26 alphabets in English, only one alphabet in English, always remember. This alphabet is divided into two categories. One alphabet, it has 26 letters, and these 26 letters are divided into two categories. Number one, vowel letters. Number two, consonant letters. We have 5 vowel letters and we have 21 consonant letters. If you minus 5 from 26, you will get 21. And these all are consonant letters. And let me tell you what are the vowel letters. So vowel letters are these 5: A, I, O, U, and E. So these 5 are called vowel letters. Except these 5 letters from 26 letters, all are called consonant letters. So we have 21 consonant letters. Their examples are B, D, F, G, H, M, N, etc. So these are consonant letters in English. So let me repeat again. One alphabet in English language, and inside the alphabet we have 26 letters, okay? And 26 letters are divided into two categories: vowel letters and consonant letters. So vowel letters are 5, which are A, I, O, U, E, and consonant letters are 21. For example, B, D, F, G, H, M, N, etc. Let's talk about the pronunciation of this word. So it is not vowel, okay? It is vowel. You can remember the pronunciation of this word by remembering this word. So what is the pronunciation of this word? So it is owl. Same as vowel and owl. Okay? So whenever you struggle to pronounce this word, you can remember this word owl and you can add vowel. Okay? Owl, vowel. So it is not vowel, it is vowel. Okay, everybody? So no more confusion now. When anyone asks you that how many alphabet does English language have, So you can confidently tell him that we have only one alphabet in English, and inside the alphabet we have 26 letters in English. These letters are divided into two categories: vowel letters and consonant letters. We have 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. Learn something new from the video? Please do hit the like button and leave your comment in comment box. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.